So if you're new to skincare or you're looking for an affordable routine and you don't know how many products you need or the best ones to use for your skin, that's why I'm here. I'll be showing you how many skincare products you need, how to apply them, and when to apply them. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Nini Beauty. If you're stopping by for the first time, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to build the perfect skincare routine that will give you that flawless glowing skin. So I'll be sharing a basic beginner friendly skincare routine, and this routine requires using just 4 skincare products. So if you're interested, you should just keep on watching. A perfect skincare routine just consists of 4 steps, and that is cleansing, treatment, moisturizer, and sunscreen. So those are the 4 basic steps in a daily perfect skincare routine. So I'll be breaking these steps down just for you to understand what exactly I'm talking about. So the first step on how to build that perfect skincare routine is cleansing. Cleansing your skin is the first step when it comes to achieving that healthy, perfect, glowing skin. This step will help to remove any form of dead oils, makeup, impurities on your skin. It will help to cleanse your skin so that other products that you put on your skin will be able to penetrate deeply into the skin. So you have to cleanse your skin twice daily, and that is in the morning and at night. So when it comes to picking a cleanser for your skin, you want to choose a cleanser that will not strip your skin of its natural oils. Like after using a cleanser, you start to feel tight or dry. You don't want that for yourself. So I have a video on some good cleansers that you can actually use on your skin, so I will link that up here for you so you can go check that out. So the second step when it comes to building that perfect skincare routine is treatment. So this particular step is mostly for people who are battling with major skin concerns like acne, rashes, dark spots, and the rest. If you don't have any skin issue like acne, dark spots, eye bags, and the rest, you want to simply skip this particular step. But if you have any aging signs on your skin like wrinkles, dark spots, you can go ahead to get a standard antioxidant like your vitamin C serum and add to your skincare routine. It's very nice. It will help to reverse a lot of skin damages on your skin. I have one vitamin C serum that I reviewed on my channel, so I'll link it up here for you to check it out. So I know a whole lot of you will be wondering why I didn't mention a toner. Well, toners are not really that compulsory when it comes to a skincare routine. Like, you don't really need it except you have an acne prone skin. Then you can go ahead to get a toner. And when getting a toner, you want to go for toners that contain salicylic acid that will help fight your breakouts. So I also have a video on some toners that you can use on your skin, so I will link the video up here. If you can hear the noise, please kindly ignore. There is construction or something going on there. So if you're battling with acne, you want to look out for treatments that contain salicylic acid, azelaic acid, alpha hydroxy acids, retinol, vitamin C, and the rest. They will help to fight and clear up your acne. So moving on, the third step when it comes to building that perfect skincare routine is moisturizer. This is a compulsory step when it comes to building that perfect skincare routine for all skin type. Even if you have an oily skin, you still need a moisturizer in your skincare routine. So if you have an oily skin, you want to go for moisturizers that are lightweight, that are gel based, and non-comedogenic moisturizers. They will help to moisturize your skin without causing any form of breakouts on your skin. Whereas If you have a dry skin, you want to reach out for cream-based moisturizers that will help to soothe your skin and hydrate your skin. So I have a whole lot of face moisturizers and body moisturizers that I've reviewed here on my channel, so I'll be linking that up here. So I'll link all of them in the description box for you to go check that out. So the last step when it comes to building that perfect skincare routine is sunscreen. Like, I cannot say it enough. Having a sunscreen in your skincare routine will go a long way in helping you. This is the most important step in any skincare routine. The sun is the #1 reason people's skin ages and damages daily. Like, you can do any of the other steps, but if you don't wear a sunscreen, it's more like treating hyperpigmentation without using a sunscreen, and that should be taken 2 steps forward and 1 step backward. So always apply a sunscreen with at least SPF 30 15 minutes before stepping out of your house. It will go a long way to protect your skin from any form of sun damage, sunburn, skin cancer, and the rest. So I have a video on some good sunscreens that you can use on your skin, so I'll link that up here and in the description box. So even if you're the type that wears makeup, you don't need to worry about anything. You can apply your sunscreen and then go over with your makeup, okay? It will sit pretty well on your skin. And some of the sunscreens, they are matte, like they can help keep your makeup in place for 24 hours. So your sunscreens are supposed to be used only in the morning, and at night you can just keep applying a sunscreen, okay? So if you're new to skincare or you're looking for an affordable routine, you just want to simply start out with this 4 easy, basic, beginner friendly skincare routine to see how your skin reacts. And once you're comfortable, you can go ahead to add extra products to your skincare routine, like exfoliating scrubs. So when you take a proper look at this skincare routine, you will notice that we just have 3 basic steps, which are cleansing, moisturizing, and sunscreen. So you see, your skincare routine doesn't have to be that complicated if you don't want it to be. So the proper way to use your products is simply to cleanse your skin, go in with your moisturizer, and then apply your sunscreen. It will really help a lot. It will really help to give you that flawless glowing skin. So you just want to build a skincare routine, be consistent with it, don't switch from one product to another if you really want to see the results. It will give you that even skin tone, blended, flawless, glowing skin. So if you have any questions or any video requests, you can just go ahead to drop them right in the comment section. And thank you so much for always watching and liking my videos. I really do appreciate that. So we have basically come to the end of this video. So don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.